All right, I got a new nail gun so we can get that siding, the inside wood siding on in the barn out there. So I got a Bostitch framing, actually it's a siding fence nail gun. So it uses the coil, it uses either the plastic or the steel coiled nails. So it didn't come with a air nipple on it, so I'm going to put this air nipple on there and we're going to put this thing to use. See how it works. It's the first time I've ever had a nail gun like this. I've got framing nail guns, but those nails were just too long. I only needed like 1.25 inch nails for this siding, and I think my framing nail gun's as small as like 2.5 inches. Well, that would have stuck through, so we're going to go with this. So I just had to put a 1/4 inch air inlet on there, and I got a box of nails. I think it's like 3,200 nails. These are 1.25 inches. That's what it's about all in there. I probably could have done 1.5 inches, but some of that siding board might be a little bit thin and might have gone through. So I went with 1.25 inches. So let's go see how that is going to fare for us. Okay, we're gonna do a test here on the opposite side of the barn. And I think what we need to do is lift up on these, because you want to put a board at the bottom, right? All right, let's try that. Yeah, can you come hold this right here?
Do I need to move down?
Yeah, let's go ahead and move down. Let's just take a little bit longer this first one. Let's kind of see how it's going to go.
Here?
Mm-hmm. Okay. I go all the way to the end.
Here?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. I think that's going to work. All right, well, I get the next one. I can just get them all here.
Well, that's...
Okay, let go. All right.
Yeah, go up?
Yeah, go ahead and lift up.
Like here? Too much?
No, I think it's fine.
You want to... Woo! You didn't tell me to shoot that air like that. It's strong.
Oops. All right, you can go and let go. Oh, I think you're going to have to come in here.
Oh, it's because you already nailed all those, isn't it?
No, it's on the end, so it should be all right.
How? I know, but how do you want me?
There you go.
I know, but usually...
Now you might be able to.
I don't know.
You get a little more?
Ow.
Please. Oh,
No, you missed or
oh, yeah, I'm on the edge.
something.
Oh. Where's that other
What?
bar?
The black one? This one?
You may not even need the board with that. Look out.
Oh, I wonder if there's a crack.
I'm over from the crack. It's like it's not.
Do you think it's warped?
I don't know if it's not up against the wall or what. Don't go through the paper.
I'm not. I'm just...
Let me see something. I think it's a ways away from the wall is what it is.
That's why I was saying, do you think that board is warped? It's bending out this way. I didn't realize it. Let me put it in.
See how this wood's back?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not able to get back there. Oh, here. Oh,
Did you get it?
a little bit. Might need those 1.5 inch nails here, maybe.
What'd you get? Inch?
1.25 inch. We'll see. Okay. We have a. Will the trim fit up there so we can see what it looks like?
Which one are we using? These long ones down here?
Yeah. Alright, so I think that's going to work out well. As long as those boards aren't too far away from the... We should be okay.
And they're going to have to be cut.
It won't,
No.
it won't fit back there?
I think so. Well, you're hitting another board. You're hitting this board. Stud. That's what I think. Right. That or it's just a tight squeeze.
I'm getting splinters.
You need to wear gloves. Is that end skinnier than this end? Maybe. I don't know.
I don't know, but this is not going to go in there, so.
Well, it'd probably look better if it all was just flush the same, wouldn't it? Instead of having one in and one out.
Well, if I can get them both back there, that'd be ideal.
Well, there's no wiggle room back there. I don't think for that one.
Oh, you know what I could do? Alright, this is going to be the bottom trim piece to finish it off. I think that's going to work. There you go. What do you think? I think that's going to look good.
Mm-hmm. And then you could still use the shelves for whatever.
Yep.
I can't remember if it was that one. I think I could get a piece in, but I think it needed to be notched. So
there we go. Okay. 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 I'll lift this up. What if you can do this?
hmm? You want this board?
Oh, this one might be
I think
tough.
you covered that nail. You want this one?
I think you're going to need a...
What?
I think you're going to need a bigger pry bar.
Well, those are the only two I found in the shop.
I think that
What?
2x4 on top is It's
Oh,
warped.
you could take that one out. I was just putting them
No,
up.
I'm talking about this one here. I think that might be warped.
You sure that one's warped and not mine, the one I put in?
Don't know.
Because it could be the one I put in, because I did notice a few of them were warped when I was grabbing them out.
No, I'm thinking this one might be warped. I think you're going to have to nail it while I push it.
Want to try a different board just to see?
No, I'm pretty sure I'm not. So nail it about right here.
What do I do? Just pull the trigger?
Yep, push the border.
Here?
Yep. Get another one.
Same spot?
Yep.
I'm over here. They look like a straight line.
Okay.
That's what I'm going with.
Give me another one then. Okay, take it up.
Thing's lighter than your other one.
Yeah, it's not as big. Coming up.
Oh.
Can you hand me that other wedge down there?
If you hang on to this, got it?
No, that.
This?
Yep. Okay, yeah, you have to get that one.
Ow, string. Right here?
Yep.
Oop.
Yep. You start here.
Hey, you went crooked over there.
Well, don't follow me.
Oh, you're not giving me much wiggle room, sir. How am I supposed to get in here?
I don't know. Let me try it with this other wedge. Well, yeah, try it.
Let me do this thing. Oops.
I'll take that nail gun away from you, girl.
I have no wiggle room. You're not giving me any. See, I with your hand here, unless you come down over here and I'm in between your hand and that thing.
I should have got the 1.5 inch nails.
Whew.
I think that'll work.
Better than painting them.
Yeah. Yeah.
It'll take forever.
All right, that is going to be a wrap for this video. I just really wanted to test that nail gun out. Nail gun works fantastic. It's a nice Bostitch fencing nail gun, and I think it's going to work good. So we're going to cover all this wood in here with these ship boards that we got. These came off the ships down in downtown Baltimore. That's where they're from. So that big stack there. Hopefully it's enough. We got a lot of the wood up there, but no, it's nailed, so I got to nail them all in. I just got that nail gun, so I wanted to make sure that was going to work. So I think we're going to wrap it up for this video. It'll be a short video. We just put that grass seed out and test this nail gun out. So short video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next time on Rolling Country Outdoors. Take care.